Forgot your iPhone's passcode and got locked out? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to restore your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. Now let's get started. Please note that if you've already passed the point of having the option to use FaceID, without knowing your device's passcode, there is no way to get back into your device. This tutorial will walk you through the process of factory resetting it so that you can use your device again. Any data that was not backed up will be lost. Be sure you've tried every passcode combination you can remember before going through this process. To restore your iPhone if you've forgotten your passcode, try entering your passcode until the Device Unavailable screen appears. At the bottom, tap Forgot Passcode. Next, tap Start iPhone Reset. You'll then need to sign out of your Apple ID account. Enter your Apple account password. Then tap Erase iPhone to wipe everything off of your iPhone and reset it to factory default settings. If you use an eSIM, you'll see the option to keep your eSIM and erase other data. When your device restarts, you'll be able to set it back up as if it were new. When you get to the step of setting up a new passcode for your iPhone, make sure you write it down somewhere so that if you happen to forget it again, you'll be able to get back into your device without completely resetting it. If you had your device backed up to iCloud, you can restore your data from your most recent backup at this stage. Once your backup is done loading, all the data that was backed up will be restored to your device. That's all it takes to restore your iPhone if you forget your passcode. Need to factory reset your Mac? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.